Hey there, I just want to share with you tips about eating healthy on vacation. And we are renting a house, so this is assuming you're renting a property or an apartment or whatever, so you are able to cook. So eating healthy on vacation. Sweet potatoes, I just cut one up. It was about this size, so I cut it up and then I put some, oops, before I spill it, salt and pepper and cinnamon and a little bit of olive oil, organic if you can get it. And then I'm just tossing it. Now my hands have touched the bone. I'm just gonna use a spoon. Just tossing it together. And you could toss it in a bowl, but I don't feel like washing a bowl, so I'm just gonna toss it. And I line this with foil, but at home I have one of those, the silicone baking sheets, and those are awesome because they are non-stick and they save your pans, save you from scrubbing your pans, which never get fully clean, right? So I'm just tossing this. I'm not doing the best job, but that's okay. And I'm heating the oven to 400 degrees, and I'll put it in for about 25 to 30 minutes. So I actually put makeup on for you guys today, so yay. Oh, I smile, and this is an interesting filter. Anyway, so I'll bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can take it out of the oven and flip it over halfway through. You don't have to. Sometimes I forget, but you could do that. And then this is great to have part of what I'm gonna have, like a salad with hummus and these beauties. And I'm also making, I love making beans, especially for my daughter. See? By the way, I make these and she calls them chips. I don't know why, because they're not really, those aren't crunchy. I have a sweet potato chip recipe that makes them more crunchy, but it's different. Those are cut too thick to be crunchy, but she calls them chips anyway. As long as she's eating them, she can call them whatever she wants. And I'm also making black beans. So I soaked black beans overnight, and I just soaked about a cup in water. And then I'm cooking them. Black beans actually take a while. They take about 90 minutes to 2 hours. So I'm just cooking those on low, and I'll flip this around.